Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mayank Khandelwal. So hope you all are good in during this coronavirus time. So in my last video we talked about the Postman tool. Now I told you now we will study about the API automation, how we can perform the API automation using REST assured. So from today we are going to learn the REST assured concepts, how we can perform our get, post, put, delete operations using REST assured. So let's start the today's topic. So today's topic is REST assured, and now first let's understand what is REST API. So as we saw in our last video Postman, and we understood like REST API basically uses the HTTP request to get, post, put, delete your data. So basically it uses the get, post, put, delete HTTP methods to perform the different kinds of operations. So that is all about REST API. Now we see REST assured. So now we understand today's topic, REST assured. So basically what is REST assured? REST assured is a library of Java. It is a very beautiful library of Java using which we can perform the different HTTP operations for get, post, put, delete data. So basically this is the REST assured is a library which is very widely used in all the automation projects where we need to perform the API automation. So this is very demanding in the market. This is very demanding today in the market, and it becomes very important to understand this library. And so let's start how so today let's start how we can set up the REST assured project in our Eclipse. And today we will also see how we can perform the we can perform like we can how we can perform use HTTP get operations. So let's see how we can set up our REST assured project. So first here I hope Java and Eclipse is set up in all your projects, in all your systems. So I am hoping Eclipse and Java is set up in your systems. So now after this, when Eclipse and Java is set up in your system, so now first let's see how we can create a simple Java project. So here you need to go to file, and then here new, and here from here, and then here you can create the REST assured. So we can give we give the name to our REST assured project. We give it as practice REST assured concepts. So now we are practicing our REST assured concepts. So a simple Java project is created now. Now we need to set up our REST assured jars into this project so that we can use our REST assured features to perform our HTTP operations. So let's see how we can download our REST assured jars, and how we can set up those in our simple Java project. So first let's see how we can download. So just we need to go to the REST assured official website, and here we can go REST assured download. So this is the REST assured official website, and here you go. Now come down. Here you can see downloads. So just go to the downloads. Now here you can see many zip files. So these all zip files are related to the REST assured. So you need to download them and set up in your project, in your Java project. So let me first explain you what jar we need and when we need these jars. So this REST assured JSON path, XML path, and this JSON schema. So these four zip files we need if we want to set up our REST assured project, and we want to start it from the very beginning, so we need these 4 zip files so that we can start from the very basic of a REST assured testing. Yes. So, but if you can see here, the zip files in is their name started with Spring. So, this Spring, this Scala support and Kotlin extension. We don't need these zip files right now, because we need them only when we want to perform the advanced level of API automation using REST assured. So when we perform the advanced level of API automation using REST assured, then we need these REST 4 zip files. So for now, we will start from the very beginning. So for now, time being, we will download only these 4 zip files and here. But if we set up these zip file also in our project, like this Spring Mark, Spring Web Test, Spring Scala support, Kotlin extension, if we set up these zip files, or if we set up their jars in our Java project also, so there is no harm. So it's your choice if you want to set up them in your Java project or not. So, but I'm not setting up it right now, because as we don't need it. So let's download them. Now I'm downloading XML path. Now JSON schema. It's downloading. Yes guys, so these files are now downloaded. Yes guys, so these files are now downloaded. Now let's create one project and copy these files there, these zip files there. So we can give like rest assured jars. Okay, now let's paste these jars in this folder. Yes guys. Okay, where is this camera? Okay, so guys, now let's unzip them. First I create one project where I will copy each Java file, each zip file, and first I'm copying rest assured. Yes guys, so now we have unzipped this file. See, we have unzipped this file .dist. So let's unzip this also. Extract here. Yeah, got it. So guys, yeah, now let's create folder for this JSON path. Let's paste it here. Now see, we are extracting this .dist file. Now we have got this zip file also. Let's extract it also, because we are now extracting this here. See, we have jar files in this doc folder also. So we are going to upload these all jar files in our Java project, so that our Java project can be set up, can be ready for the rest assured testing, or for API automation using rest assured. Now this JSON schema, I'm copying this here. Now unzip this also. Yes, so guys, this one more left, XML path. Let's create path for this also. XML path. Yes guys, so we have got this GIF file also. Let's unextract it now. Yes, so guys, now we have downloaded all the jar files. Now we need to upload them into our Java project which we created a few minutes back. So now we created this project. So now let's go and upload these external jar files. So we need to go here, build path, configure build path. Here we need to click add external. Yeah, so sorry, add external jars. Yeah. So now go here, guys, rest assured jars. So let's select them and upload them. So we have already done this, and move this also. Move this also. Yes. Now let's upload these jar files. Open. Now let's come here and rest assured jars. Now this, we have done this. We have done for this. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. No cancel. Let's take one by one. Okay, these are now uploaded, and upload these files, these jars also. So all jars uploaded for this JSON path. Now let's do for this docs, and okay, so let's, okay, so these are also uploaded, and here this doc, and open. So guys, now we have uploaded all the jar files which we downloaded. Now let's build this project, apply and close. See, our all jar files are now here. We uploaded all these jar files. Now these all jar files are here. Hope you can see now. Now let's refresh this project also. Okay, so now project does not contain any build error or any kind of error. So now